Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to send anonymous questions to the Instagram. First of all, you have to go to the Play Store or App Store and you have to download this app. Okay, so after downloading this app, you have to simply just open. It may take up few minutes and then you have to click get started and you have to put up your Instagram handle. As you can see, I have put on the Instagram handle, then I have to click on done. It may take up to few seconds and after this you have to copy this link. After coming to Instagram, you have to just create the story. For example, here I am creating a story. Then you have to click on camera. Then you have to click on the sticker icon and you have to click on this link. Then you have to paste the link here and you have to click done. And here you can see that this link has been pasted. So now you can type anything which you want to type. For example, I am typing that send me anonymous questions here. Okay, so now click on your story and try clicking on this link. It may take few minutes. Okay, so now this is how it looks when somebody clicks on the link. When the people will click the link, they can type the message here and it will send to you. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and if you find it informative, share it to your friends.